Meaning of detachment.
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 Detachment. Detachment refers to the act of separating oneself emotionally or mentally from a situation, person, or thing. It involves not being overly invested in outcomes or attached to specific results. Detachment allows individuals to remain objective and maintain a sense of inner peace, even in challenging circumstances. By practicing detachment, people can gain greater clarity and perspective, make more rational decisions, and reduce their susceptibility to stress and anxiety. Ultimately, detachment can lead to greater freedom, independence, and happiness, as individuals learn to let go of things outside of their control and focus on what truly matters to them.